This is Diego from NutriAdmin, and I'm going to show you a new exciting feature we just released. So this feature allows you to add multiple foods all at once, so it should allow you to edit meal plans and recipes much faster. And to use it, all you have to do is to click the plus button here in any meal plan and click on add multiple foods. And this allows you to just type or copy paste anything such as 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of cocoa, let's say. And I just can click here and it will add all of them at once. So you see, it also adds the quantities for you, so it can save you a lot of time. And what the software is doing is it's trying to calculate to find items in the database that match the text that you're entering. So it may not be always 100% correct, so you may have to tweak a bit the quantities, but it will save you a lot of time. And I'm going to demonstrate here. You can add it on recipes as well. So when you're editing a recipe, you may say 2 slices of sourdough bread, 3 eggs, 2 slices of parma ham, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and there we go, all of them are added. So this got the 2 slices of bread, 2 slices of ham, 3 eggs, and 1 serving of olive oil. So all these quantities are correct. So this is much faster than searching the items one by one, and should save you a lot of time. And finally, when it doesn't find a particular ingredient, so let's say I say 2 eggs, and then I add something that is not a food, like I say 2 computers, like this is not gonna work, right? So when it cannot find an ingredient, it just tells you, I found this 1 eggs, but I didn't find this one, so please add it manually. So for example, if you add some ingredient that maybe it's a local ingredient, or maybe it's a bit more of a niche ingredient that we may not have in the database, it will alert you. So you can go to a website and copy paste, like let's say if I go to BBC and I just grab this recipe, so I'm gonna get a recipe for chicken, and I'm gonna, sorry about this, I'm gonna just, like I found a recipe like this, and I'm just gonna copy paste the ingredients, so I can just copy this text and come back here to my meal plan. I'm gonna just copy paste there from the internet, you see? So hopefully it will find the ingredients, and there you go, it found everything except for the sultanas. So now I can just say here sultana, I can search directly in this little window, and I found the item in here. So perhaps it had trouble recognizing this 1-3, or perhaps the problem was that this word here, to taste, it didn't figure out that was not part of the ingredient. So yeah, because it's an algorithm that is trying to figure out what you enter as text, but as you can see, it works most of the time, and when it doesn't work, it tells you what is missing, and you can add that item manually. So that's all this feature. Hopefully you find this helpful. You can use it everywhere, in meal plans, or when you're in this view to edit macros, just click on the plus and add multiple foods, or when you're editing recipes. So hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching.